I'm going to make rice. This is long grain rice. There are 3 ways that I make rice. Today I'm going to show you the way that my mom made it. So let's start by washing the rice first. I'm using 2 cups of long grain rice. And there are 2.5 cups of water. Anywhere from 1 1/4 cup to 1.5 cup of water for every 1 cup of rice is fine. Some recipes say that the ratio should be 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water, but I feel that rice tends to come out more mushy that way, so that's not my preference. So with this method that I'm doing today, we're going to start by boiling the water first. So you want to turn the heat on your stove to high. So wait until the water starts boiling and you can add the seasonings that you want. I'm going to add salt, oil, and I'm going to add the chicken bouillon. I know how to say it, the chicken powder. So these are the things that I'm adding because it's my preference. But you can add any oil or no oil. You can add butter in place of the oil. You don't have to add the salt. And just flavor it according to how you want. So we're waiting for the water to boil. And remember, the heat is on high. Okay, so the water is beginning to boil. So we're going to go ahead and add our oil. Add as much as you want or as little as you want. So okay, so now we're waiting until it boils, and then we're going to add the rice. Okay, so now it's boiling. So now we're going to leave it alone. So we're just waiting for the water to evaporate. So the water is evaporated. What I'm going to do now is turn the heat to very low. The lowest you can go. And then I'm going to just cover it. And it should cook in about 20 minutes. I have different ways of making rice. So this is just one of the ways. I also have a rice cooker, by the way. When my mom comes over, I put that into hiding. Anybody with a Dominican mom knows why I do that. I'm in my 40s. I'm a mother myself, and I'm still afraid of my mom. While this cooks, don't open it because you don't want to let steam out. So it's been 20 minutes. I'm going to turn up the heat, and I'm going to just let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to open it and fluff it up. Okay, so 10 minutes have passed. So I'm going to take off the lid and I'm going to fluff up, oops, wow. I'm going to fluff up the rice. So I'm going to show you how it looks. You also have the bottom that sometimes gets like hard and sticky. In the Dominican Republic, that's called con. In Puerto Rico, I know it's called pegao. So you just have to let it cook for a bit longer or turn the heat up higher to achieve that pegao or the con in the bottom. So that's it. That's one way of making rice. And remember, I use the long grain rice. Whether it's Basmati or Jazmin or just regular long grain, the water to rice ratio would be the same.